Okay. Once we recall all the topics from this 4-digit numbers. Chapter name 4-digit numbers. From this chapter, what we learned, just today we recall that all the topics. Okay. First topic. What we learned in the first class? Only about 4-digit numbers. There are 4 digits, 4 1 digits are there in a 4-digit number. Yes? Yes. See here, third class, first chapter, 4-digit numbers. In this chapter, we learned about 4-digit numbers, number names, expanded forms, place value of every digit in the given 4-digit number, and face value of every digit in the 4-digit number. Next, predecessor, successor. Next, compare how to compare the numbers, which is largest number, which is smallest number, like that. Next, pattern, number pattern, how to write pattern of 4-digit numbers. Next, how to write the 4-digit numbers in ascending order, and how to write the given numbers in descending order. Next, even numbers, odd numbers. Next, the last one, number formation. How to form the largest 4-digit number by using 4 1-digit numbers, and how to form the smallest 4-digit number by using 4 1-digit numbers. These all topics we already learned in the previous classes, and total these are the subtopics in this chapter, 4-digit number chapter. Once we recall that all topics. Okay. Now, first one, the 4-digit numbers and their number names. Here I given for you 5 4-digit numbers. What is a 4-digit number? 4-digit number means in that number a number which forms with 4 1 digits. A number forms with 4 1 digits is called a 4-digit number. Understood? Whatever it may be. Whatever that 1 digit number, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0 to 9 are called 1 digits. By using any 4 of these digits, and you should form the 4-digit number. Now here I given for you 5 4-digit numbers. Just I will read out that one. This is the review of that chapter, review of the topic. So I will go little bit fastly. If you have any doubt, you please send to me in WhatsApp. Next, see here, first number 5867. 5867. 5867. Next number 6354. 6354. Next number 2578. 2578. Next number 9632. 9632. Next number 1256. 1256. 1256. Okay. Okay, these all are sum of 4-digit numbers and their number names. Here, whenever you want to write the number names, you should know the spelling of 1000 properly. That other numbers you know already, 100 spelling, 1 to 10 spellings, that all. But 1000, what is the spelling of 1000? THOUSAND, 1000. And what is the spelling of 100? HUNDRED, 100. Okay, beta. Okay, these are some of the 4-digit numbers and their number names. Next, see, next topic, expanded forms. How to write expanded form and place values and face values. Expanded form. What is expanded form? Expanded form is sum of the place values of the every digit in the given number. Okay, that is called expanded form. Sum of. Sum means the end result of the addition is called sum. We will show that one with a symbol of plus because sum means addition. Okay, expanded forms again I will say you. Expanded form means the sum of the place values of every digit in the given number. Every digit in the given number. See here, first before that we want to know about place value. Place value here from your every time you should see whenever you want to write the place value you should see from your extreme right. Extreme right first place whatever number it may be you see, first of all you see the place value you see the place of last digit, that means you start from your extreme right. Extreme right first place is ones place. Before that number that place is tens. Before the tens place that place is hundreds. Before that hundreds one is thousand. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Now here in this given I gave for you one number, one 4-digit number, that is 7325. Here how to write expanded form beta? I said to you know the sum of the place values of every digit. See here, where is 7? What is the place value of 7? 7000. What is the place value of 3? 300. What is the place value of 2? 20. What is the place value of 5? 5 only, because 5 is in ones place. 5 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, so that value is 20. 3 is in hundreds place, so the place value of 3 is 300. What is the place value of 7,000? So place value is 7,000. Place is thousands and the value of 7 is 7,000. Okay, here I given for you the place value. 7 is 7,000. Place value of 3 is 300. Place value of 2 is 20. Place value of 5 is 5 only. Okay. Now, how to write expanded form? Sum of all place values. 7,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 5. This is called expanded form. Okay. Now, face value. What is face value? Face value of any digit is the digit itself. Is the digit itself. Same face. Okay. Face value means the digit itself is called face value. Suppose, what is the face value of 3 in this number? 3 only. What is the face value of 5? 5 only. What is the face value of 2? 2 only. What is the face value of 7? 7 only. Face value means the digit itself. Okay. These are expanded for about expanded form, place value and face value. Now, come to predecessor and successor. See here, middle column, you should see the middle column. Numbers, I given numbers. See, before one predecessor, after one successor. Here, one thing you should remember. What is predecessor? Predecessor means just before number. Okay, just before number of the given number is called predecessor of that number. What is successor? Successor means just after number. Immediately after which number comes, that number is called successor. Okay, this is about predecessor and successor. Now here I gave some examples for you. See here, 3255. Blue color one I given question. That black color one answers. What is the predecessor of 3055? Before writing that predecessor and successor, you just check the ones place only. In the ones place 0 is there, then you should check the last 2 digits whenever you want to write the predecessor. Now here 3255, last place 5. Then what is the predecessor of 5? 4. Instead of that 5 you should write 4. Then The number is 3254. That is the predecessor of 3255. Next, what is the successor? 3255 after. Immediately after what number? 3256. Okay. Now, next row. Next row in blue color I given for you 2182. Suppose what is the number? If that number successor is 2182, then you should write successor means just after number. No, that before what number will come? 2181. What is the predecessor? Predecessor of that number 2181 predecessor is 2180. Okay. Now see here 2346 predecessor, 2348 is the successor. Then what is the number? 2347 is the number. Okay, here see 4252 is the predecessor and 4253 is the number. Then what is the successor of that number? Number means here 4253. What is the successor of that number? 4254. This is about predecessor and successor. Once again I will say predecessor means just before number. Successor means just after number. Okay. Now come to comparison of numbers. How to compare the numbers? Here whenever I gave an explanation, that time how I said this one, how I gave explanation for you. I said to you 4 rules, no beta. Did you remember that? Yes. Once again I will remind you that whenever you want to compare the numbers, you should follow that rules. What is the first rule? The first rule is you should see the number of digits in the given number. Number of digits in the given number. Which number has more number of digits? That is the largest number. Okay, that is the rule number 1. What is the rule number 2? If suppose in two numbers there are same number of digits, then how you will compare? You should check the first digit from your extreme left. Okay, you should check the first digit from your extreme left. If the given numbers are same number of digits, in the given numbers there are same number of digits, then you should check the first digit of from your extreme left. Okay, then you compare which is big, which is small. Suppose same number of digits and first digit from your extreme left also same, equal. Then what you will do? Then go to next higher place. If that numbers are 4-digit numbers, then you go to hundreds place. First digit from your extreme left is thousands place now. Then if thousands place also same, then you should go to next higher. Next higher place means hundreds place. You should check that hundreds place. If suppose thousands place is equal, hundreds place also equal, then what you will do? Go to tens place. Okay. Now, what is the fourth rule? If tens place also equal, then you should go to ones place. Then you should compare the numbers. Okay. Here by following that rules, and you should compare the numbers here. See first one, your left side 7214, right side 829, left side 4-digit number, right side 3-digit number. Then which digit number is greatest? This is according to rule number 1. Yes, 4-digit number is larger than, greater than 3-digit number. So you kept greater than sign. Okay, that is the sign for greater than. Next, second one, see 2 or 4-digit numbers. Then you should you should follow the second rule. What is the second rule? You should check the first digit from your extreme left. Extreme left first digit, that means thousands place. In the left side 1 is there, in the right side 2 is there. Then which is the biggest number? 2 is the biggest number. Okay, then you should, 1 is the less number. So you should keep less than sign. Okay. Next, third one. Third one, left side 2345, right side 2105. Here, if you check the 2 or 4-digit numbers and the first digit is equal, from your extreme left first digit is equal, then you should go to rule number 2. You should check the hundreds place. In the left side one hundreds place 3 is there. In the right side hundreds place 1 is there. Then which is biggest? 3 is biggest. So you should keep greater than sign. Next, fourth one. Left side 8217, right side 8265. Here for 2 are 4 digit numbers. In the 2 numbers first digit is equal, second digit also equal, then go to third digit. Third digit in the left side 1, right side 1, 6. Then which is biggest? 6 is biggest. Then you should keep less than. Okay, 8217 is less than 8265. Okay, now come to last one. Here see 2 or 4 digit numbers. First digit also equal, second digit also equal, third digit also equal, fourth digit also equal. Then you should keep is equal to sign, because 2 are same numbers. Okay, this is the comparison of numbers. Next, pattern. I said to you pattern. Pattern means the same order. The same order is repeating. Then that time you should follow that patterns. Here this is called number pattern. In our daily life we will see so many design patterns. Yes, shapes one. But here this is the number pattern. Here see first one. If you go from your extreme left to right, the pattern is plus 10. If you go from right to left, that is minus 10. 30, 40, 50, 60. Second one, see here, if you go from your extreme left to right, the pattern is minus 5. If you go from right to left, the pattern is plus 5. Every time you should add 5 to that given number. Okay, this is called pattern. Next one, like that so many patterns are there with other numbers also. Here I gave for you only plus and minus 10 and 5. Like that with 2, 3, 4, hundreds, like that, thousands also. Okay, you should learn like that. Now come to ascending order. Ascending order means smallest number to biggest number. Ascending order means smallest number to biggest number. Arranging the numbers from the smallest to biggest is called ascending order. Okay. Here the strategy of going up steps. Going up the steps is called ascending order. Ascending order means start and go up. Start at first step and go up one by one. That is called ascending order. Okay. Smallest to biggest. And you know already how to compare the numbers. I already said to you whenever comparison of numbers. Like that here also you should compare the numbers. First of all, compare all are same digit numbers or not. After, if same number of digits, if different number of digits, you should check which number has greatest more number of digits, that is the biggest number. Okay. Next, if same number of digits, you should see the first digit in every number from your extreme left. If that is equal, go to next higher place. Like that you should compare and write. Ascending order means smallest to largest number. Okay. Like that here I gave for you 2 examples. Check carefully. Next, descending order. Descending order means biggest number to smallest number. Arrangement of numbers from biggest to smallest is called descending order. Here we are using the strategy of coming down from steps, up to down. Okay, that is called descending order. Descending order means arrangement of numbers from biggest number to smallest number. Okay, this is descending order. Here are there some examples. Check it carefully. Okay. Here also you should follow the same rules. First of all, same number of digits or not. If suppose same number of digits, you should see the first digit from your extreme left. If that is equal, go to next higher place. That also equal. Next go to tens place. That also equal. Go to ones place. And once again I will say ascending means small to big. Descending means big to small. Okay. Next. Here even and odd numbers. Even numbers. What are even numbers? How we will choose? How we will know which is even and which is odd? Yes. How we will know even numbers? Numbers which have the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in their ones place are called even numbers. You know the two table. 2 0 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, the 2 5s are 10. But here in this table you should remember that numbers. What are the one digit numbers came in the table? Okay, products. One digit number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That digits are there in the ones place of the given number. Then those numbers are called even numbers. Okay, that is the concept here. Even numbers means the numbers which have the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are there in the ones place, are 8 in their ones place. In the ones place, whatever it, which number it may, whatever it may be, any number is there. 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. Any one of the number is there in the ones place, then that number is even number. Here are some examples for even numbers. Some 4 digit numbers, 4 digit even numbers. Okay. This is very easy beta. You should check only ones place. In that ones place 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, then those numbers are even numbers. Okay. Next, what are odd numbers? Odd numbers means the numbers which have the digits 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in their ones place are called odd numbers. Same strategy like even numbers only, but in even numbers we should see ones place only, and there 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. But here 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. Okay, numbers which are having the digits 1, 3 or 5 or 7 or 9 are there in the ones place, then those numbers are called odd numbers. Okay, next and last one. How to form the smallest 4-digit number by using 4 one-digits, and how to form the largest 4-digit number by using 4 one-digit numbers. This is very easy. Suppose you take any 4-digit numbers from you take any 4 one-digit numbers, then you should write that numbers in ascending order, then you will get smallest 4-digit number by using that numbers. If you write that numbers in descending order, then you will get the largest 4-digit number. Okay, if suppose 0 came in that, then only you should see carefully beta. Okay, if 0, remember that if 0 is one of the 4 digits, see here, second example I given 6085. That 4 one-digit numbers are 6085. You should remember here, that 0 is there here. 0 is one of the 4 digits. Then to form the smallest 4-digit number, we write 0 at the hundreds place to form the smallest 4-digit number. Okay. And the next bigger digit at the thousands place. Next bigger digit means next that small digit. 5 only, no? 5 you should write in the thousands place. Understood? When 0 is there, when 0 is one of the 4 digits, that time you should just little bit carefully. Okay. If 0 is not there, then it is very easy. You write that given 4 digits in ascending order, then you will get the smallest 4-digit number. If you write in descending order, then you will get the largest 4-digit number. Okay. If remember that if 0 is one of the 4 digits, then to form the smallest 4-digit number, we write 0 at the hundreds place. Okay. And next, which is the smallest in the other 3 one-digit numbers, that you should write in the thousands place. Then you will get the smallest 4-digit number. That's it. Okay. Like this, you form the smallest 4-digit numbers by using 4 one-digit numbers, and form the largest 4-digit number by using 4 one-digit numbers. Okay, children. Okay. Once again, I will show you all the topics from this first chapter. That chapter name is 4-digit numbers. Okay, third class, first chapter, 4-digit numbers. In this chapter, we learned about 4-digit numbers, number names, expanded forms, place value and face value, predecessor and successor, comparison of numbers, number pattern, ascending and descending orders, even and odd numbers, number formation. Here one thing we forgot better, that is palindrome number. Palindrome number means palindrome numbers are numbers which are same when we will write the digits in the reverse order. Okay, whatever digits are there, if we write the digits in the reverse order, then you will get the same number. That is called palindrome number. Okay, you should remember that one also. Okay, here I will show you the slides better once you rewind in your mind. Numbers and their names, place value, face value, expanded form, predecessor and successor, comparison of numbers, pattern of number patterns, ascending order and descending order, largest numbers, smallest numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, formation of 4-digit numbers. Okay, formation of 4-digit smallest number, largest number by using 4 one-digits. Okay, okay, this is all about 4-digit numbers. Thank you.